Hi, welcome. Today we know about 15 most common HTTP response status codes that your website may encounter. These HTTP response status codes will help you to understand and troubleshoot the problems. Number 1. 101 Status Code. Switching Protocols. The HTTP 101 switching protocols is switching protocol. The client gets this response when he has asked the server to change the protocols and the server has accepted this. Number 2. 200 Status Code. OK, everything is normal. The HTTP 200 OK response code indicates that the request sent by the client to the server is succeeded and information is successfully sent back to the client. Number 3. 300 Status Code. Multiple choices. This redirect status code indicates that the request could get more than one response among the possible responses. Number 4. 301 Status Code. Moved permanently. This response code indicates the requested resource URL has been definitively moved to the new URL given by the location header. Update your URL to the one you want to redirect. Number 5. 302 Status Code. Temporary Redirect. This response code indicates that the resource requested has been temporarily moved to a different URL given by the location headers. Number 6. 400 Status Code. Bad Request. This HTTP response code indicated that the server is unable to perform the request due to a client error. Server has not accepted and performed the action. Number 7. 401 Status Code. Unauthorized. This response code indicates that the request has not been completed as credential validation for the requested resource is invalid. Number 8. 402 Status Code. Payment Required. This HTTP response code is reserved for future use to enable online payment and indicates the requested resource is not made available to the client until he makes the payment. Number 9. 403 Status Code. Forbidden. This response code indicates that the server refuses to authorize the resource requested as a security measure. Number 10. 404 Status Code. Not found. This HTTP response code is sent by the server when the server cannot exactly find the requested resource. Number 11. 407 Status Code. Proxy Authentication Required. This HTTP request indicates that the client request has not been considered because it lacks valid authentication credentials for the proxy server. Number 12. 408 Status Code. Request Timeout. This HTTP code indicates that the server wants to close the unused connections. Number 13. 500 Status Code. Internal Server Error. This response code indicates that the server encountered an unexpected scenario that inhibited it from fulfilling the request. Number 14. 502 Status Code. Bad Gateway. This response code indicates that the server received an invalid response while acting as a gateway. Number 15. 503 Status Code. Service Unavailable. This HTTP response code indicates that the server is unable to handle the request. Thank you.